Today is day three of me as a product manager trying to learn the AI engineering skill set. Today, we are going to discuss something very interesting. Today, we are also going to build our first agentic workflow using OpenAI Agent SDK. So, without wasting any time, just quickly jump the screen. So half of it we discussed yesterday already, which is we defined three set of agent, which is sales agent 1, 2, and 3, having different kind of email writing capability. And then we finally clubbed them together as tool, passed it to another agent, and asked that agent to select what is the best output it thinks is. Once that is done, I think we ask the agent also to send the email. So this was the final thing that we did. Tools uh, is passed as a list, tool 1, tool 2, tool 3, and send email also was passed as a tool. Send email is built using the send grid API. So this is the function, and we attached a decorator which is add function tool, add function underscore tool. So kind of OpenAI understand that okay, this is being passed as a tool. Which is subject writer and HTML converter. This is basically to get the subject for the emails that we are writing and convert it into HTML. We finally have a function to send the email also. Now, once that is done, we have defined the email agent. It will have access to the tools that is subject tool, HTML tool, and send HTML email. So this will be adding the subject, convert it to HTML, and send it to the user. Final, we have tools for subject. This is for the different type of emails that we are writing. So tool 1, tool 2, tool 3. Handoff is basically handing it off to this agent, which is agent we defined here. And then we just checked print tools and print handoff. Now, this is the interesting part. This is from where we do the agent orchestration or agentic workflow. Now, this is not the only way to do the agentic workflow. I can also say this is not the exact way that we define agentic workflow. This is sort of a agentic workflow, but yeah, very, very interesting. So we have a sales manager agent. What it will do is first, it will generate the email, select one of the email, write a subject for it, convert it into HTML, and finally send it to the user. So to generating the emails, we have tool subject and selecting. So that's what it will do. It will call some of the tools here. And in handoff, we have passed another list, which we defined earlier, where we passed the agent, which is emailer agent, which will add the subject line and send it to the user. We pass the message, and we pass it with the trace automated SDR. Let me add SDR1 also. We will be able to see it in the OpenAI manager agent, hand off to emailer agent to get these things and calling tools and finally sending the email. So this was a simple workflow. Uh, Initially, when we started, we built a simple workflow, which was yesterday, which is we are just calling the LLM, calling one tool and sending the output. So this is more of a workflow, and this is what we built today, which is agentic workflow. A very good read is from Anthropic on building effective agents. It defines what they mean by agent. There's no standard definition in market per se. But yeah, there are two major distinction highlighted, which is workflow and agent. Workflow is direct LLM calls and it works on predefined code path, where agent is more of a autonomous. It defines and understand what step it would need to take to complete a specific task. And there are different frameworks or different type of workflow or agent orchestrations is given. So this is a good read. traces, like in terms of what all happened here, is actually captured in this. So if I come back here, the first is sales. Let me just close off. So we have two major agent that we that whole workflow called, which is one is sales manager and another is email manager. If I quickly go back, we also see some statistics in terms of handoff was done one time and tools, 7 times tools were called. So we have two agents. So sales manager actually hand it off to email. So let's see what all happened in sales manager. So sales manager called these three tools, sales agent 1, 2, and 3, get the responses, and it did a handoff to email manager. So from here onward, sales manager work is done. After the handoff, let's see what happens here. It received the response. It wrote a subject. It converted it to HTML, and somewhere it should send. Yeah, and it sent an email also. I think this email failed. I need to check what happened here. But yeah, it will send an email also. We can also check what happened. An error occurred while running the tool. Please try again. Error email. So there is, I think, some variable mismatch. Yeah, I will correct that. So yeah, this is a good way to track and understand, okay, what all is